Hi guys, good afternoon guys. Yeah, first of all, we are sorry for delaying lecture. Though almost all of us have been to the site. We have all been to the site. We have done one or two at the site, and we believe that from your previous place of schooling, your school, so you get at your school there, we believe you have been taught theory. So you are here for purely practical, the practical aspect. So there was an assignment that I gave you to give me the difference or to tell me about batteries, the tubular batteries, lead acid battery, which is also the dry cell battery, and the lithium battery. First of all, I would like to start with the image image of these batteries so that you can know the difference between these batteries. So this image here, this is the image of tubular battery. This image here, this delma image, that's the image of tubular batteries. Tubular batteries are those battery that uses liquid. Okay, as the name implies, liquid with electrolyte. The liquid is electrolytes with, what is it called, with distilled water. Shey you get this particular battery, that's what they use. This battery, the liquid in it, it used to run dry whenever it is working. So I think that's all I want to tell you about that for now. So the second battery is the lead acid battery. This is the lead acid battery. This Felicity battery here. This is the lead acid battery. It is also known as dry cell battery. And also we have lithium batteries. Lithium batteries, you all know lithium batteries. All of our installation, all of our works, we have been dealing with lithium batteries. These are lithium batteries. These are lithium batteries. These are lithium batteries. Lithium batteries. Shey get lithium batteries. It is lithium batteries that we have been dealing with, that we used to work with, because lithium battery is the best type of battery for inverter installation. Shey get. So I told you to give me to talk on them in respect to inverter installation. Some people are sending batteries, all these torchlight batteries, 3 volt battery, 1 volt battery. They are also they are we have dry cell battery that is 3 volt. But I'm saying in respect to inverter installation. So these are the images I expect you to send to me. So first of all, which of these battery is the best? Lithium battery, lead acid battery, and tubular battery. Which of them is the best? The best of them all, for now, right now, that is in market now, is the lithium battery. Probably they are making a another type of battery that will be better than lithium battery. I don't know of that for now. But what is in market now, what we use now, is what? Is lithium battery. So Alpha guys, sorry, a call came in, so I have to pick it. As I was saying, so let's go to the characteristics of these inverters. I mean, there are difference. Sorry, difference between these batteries, the two batteries. So the first difference is, let's talk about the lifespan. These are the major ones I need you guys to talk about. You guys have done what you have tried. I can see the notes that you have written, but these are the major ones I need from you. The lifespan of lithium battery is the best, is the highest out of them. Lithium batteries can last between 5 to 15 years, some between 10 to 15 years. Shey get their lifespan, their duration is between a period of 10 years to 15 years. But for tubular batteries, no, for dry cell batteries, dry cell, their own lifespan is between 3 years to 4 years. 3 years to 4 years. dry cell battery that lasts and perform well till 4 years, that battery really try. And for tubular battery, based on the fact that it is refillable. But before that, let's talk about its lifespan. Its lifespan too is between 2 years to 3 years. After that, you continue to maintain it to be able to last more and more. So the usable capacity, that is the depth of charge, DOD, the depth of charge. You will have been hearing DOD, or depth of charge of batteries. Lithium lithium batteries has DOD of 80% to 90%. That is, you can, if it is fully charged, you can discharge it up to 80% or 90%. That is, you can discharge it to 10% or 5%. Shall you get? And the battery will still be okay. But for tubular batteries and dry cell battery or lead acid battery, their depth of charge is 50%, which means you cannot fully discharge them. They cannot be fully discharged. They can only discharge 50% of their capacity. Which means if you have tubular battery or dry cell battery of 2000 kilowatts, you can only use 1000 kilowatts of it. Coming to maintenance, lithium battery has no maintenance, does not require any maintenance. But for dry cell and tubular, for dry cell, you don't really need to, it does not really require any maintenance like that. But the maintenance requirement is minimal. But for tubular battery, it requires constant maintenance. First of all, if the battery discharges, it releases hydrogen gas, which makes the terminals to clog. So you have to clean the terminals. The waters in tubular battery, it dries up too. So you have to keep refilling and refilling. So for tubular battery, it requires continuous or constant maintenance, unlike lithium batteries. So the charging speed and efficiency for lithium battery, the charging between 2 to 4 hours, it charges full. But for tubular batteries, between 6 to 10 hours, it can only between 6 to 10 hours, probably maybe just charge up to 80% or 90%. The charging of tubular battery is slower. So that's just the major point there. So thank you for this class. This is our first class. It might not be perfect, but at least you should manage it like that. And I want you guys to at least get the point I'm trying to raise. So if you have any question whatsoever, you can ask in the group so I can answer the questions. Thank you.